GitHub Actions tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open github.com in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one first. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select the Your Repositories button. On the next page, click the New button to start creating a new repository. You'll be asked to enter a repository name, sum of description, and other necessary details. After filling everything out, click the Create Repository button. When your repository is ready, click on the Actions section located next to the Project section in the repository menu. Look for the text that says Set up a workflow yourself, then click it. Now, copy your code and paste it into the file contents area. Once everything is filled in properly, click the Commit Changes button located in the top right corner. Type a concise message and then add an extended description if needed. After that, click the Commit Changes button to finalize.